Yes, right. So I have these AirPods in my hand, like we already discussed, that in case they only came in a flimsy plastic bag, I definitely would not be paying such a large sum. Now, this product design also is meant to recharge my AirPods, right? It's a case. It's a case. Mommy, 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 tell me, right? Just a second. There is a lizard which is trying to, and I'm really scared that the dogs might want to kill it. Gela. Okay. Yes. So sorry for the disturbance. So we're talking about product design and development. So it is very important, right? The product design is very important because it attracts someone, like someone correctly said, that it does attract the customer. That is your product design and development. A good design can improve the performance of your product and also can give a competitive advantage in the market. For example, when we buy a motorbike, we do not only see its features, but we also see how neat it is, how stylish it is, how its headlights are, right? So it is very important that the design has to be to the par, because अगर design अच्छा नहीं है, so I may or I may not buy the product, right? Now let us assume that there is a chips, right? And the chips comes in plastic, with no name, nothing. And there is another chip that has a nice package product design to it, that it has the name of the brand, it has ingredients, it has price, manufacturing date और expiry कब होता है, वो सब है. Which one would you want to purchase? Absolutely, I would want to purchase the one that has name on it, because I am not so sure about दूसरा वाला कब बना है, उसका when will it, attractive packaging, yes, I don't know when will it expire, I don't know if it is made in good oil, right? But when I see a neat packaging, what I feel, okay, yes, I can trust this brand, I can see everything written over there, right? Does it happen to you or no, that you want to buy products whose design is nice? Because if the design is not nice, you will not feel like spending money on something that does not have a good design. Let's talk about next thing, that is standardization and grading. Standardization refers to producing goods of predetermined specifications which help in achieving uniformity and consistency. इसका ये मतलब है, we already have predetermined specification, and everything that we are doing from now on has to go to that standard. For example, I am manufacturing soap, right? Now, in case, imagine you bought a Dove soap that is around this thick, right? It's around this thick. Next time when you purchase, it's only this thick, and after that when you purchase, it is this thick. Would you want to purchase Dove? Does it even make sense? Because the company will of course be losing money if they are charging the same money for all thickness. And you, in case you find something that is of less thickness, you will of course get angry at Dove. So what does Dove do? Dove comes up with a standard, and they follow it for all the soaps, that is this much thickness, right? That way, what happens is, you know that every time you're purchasing a soap, you're going to get the same standard that you had the last time. That is your standardization. Predetermined standard है, उसी standard के हिसाब से हम लोग अपने products बनाएंगे, ताकि it becomes easier for the consumers and us to package and sell. Next, we talk about grading. Grading is a process of classification of products into different groups on the basis some of it is important characteristics. So what happens grading में? It is for the classification of products such as food category, right? Which is naturally available in the environment, like your fruits, like your food grains, and all of them have grading, right? They have grades to them. So in case it's an excellent one, then it will be A, which means you will pay a lot of price. For example, you pay a lot of price for basmati rice, right? It is a type of rice. If it was other rice, you wouldn't have to pay that much. So grading is very important in food products, right? Has everyone understood grading and standardization? Okay, let's move on to the next point. Very, very important point, packaging and labeling. Right? When we're talking about product design, is how nice the design of the product is, how attractive the design is. Here we are talking about packaging. How is it packed? Right? So, we spoke about the example about your chips one. Packaging can be used over here also, that it is very important that the package has to be neat, it has to have all the details on it. So packaging is in what you're putting the product, that is your packaging. Labeling is uske upar aap kya kya likh rahe hain, right? Do you think labeling is important? Do you think labeling is important? So you guys say yes, labeling is important. Why is labeling important? From labeling, we get to know a lot of things. For example, let us assume, like me, I am allergic to soya, right? Like, you know how my face is puffed up long back. So now, because I am allergic to soya, what I do is every time I'm purchasing something, I try to see the ingredients and see if there is soya in it. In case there is soya, I will khushi khushi say eat it. Yes or no? Or will I try to be as far as possible away from soy products? Yes, absolutely, right? We can identify, and of course, I'm going to stay away. So packaging refers to designing and developing the package for the product. Labeling refers to designing and developing the label to be put on the package. So labeling पे क्या क्या होगा? What is the information available on labels? Can you tell me? Yes, MRP, absolutely right. Ingredients, yes. Expiry, yes. Manufacturing date, yes. Manufacturer, containers, very good. You're forgetting a very important part, a very, very important thing. Barcode, yes. Address, yes. Market year, very good, Ananya. We are going to talk about what brand it belongs to. Yes, Shifali, we will talk about the brand name, right? Very important, of course, in labeling. So packaging is packaging and labeling. See, packaging, labeling, branding, your standardization and grading. All of this we will talk about in detail again, right? So all these things are there, which will come up again in this chapter, and we will understand more details. We'll understand the importance and everything about these different things. Next, we talk about branding. Brand name helps in creating product differentiation, providing basis for distinguishing the product of a firm with that of a competitor, which in turn helps in building customers' loyalty and promoting its sale. In case आपकी company को, imagine there were no brand names in the world, right? Imagine all the chips were just kept in a rack. How to know which to buy? Would you get to know which one to buy just looking at it? Imagine everything was of the same color. It is absolutely impossible. That's why brand name is important. We can identify and we can purchase the things that we like. For example, we like Lays. So every time that I go to a market, I would want to purchase Lays again and again. Or like Haldiram. I like Haldiram. Or like I like Haldiram. Right? So I can purchase Haldiram again and again because I like it and because the name is written. And not only name, but also the सिर्फ नाम लिखा हुआ रहता है ऊपर कवर पे. याद कीजिए कवर पे क्या लिखा है, नाम और क्या लिखा रहता है, नेम ऑफ द कंपनी एंड लेस के ऊपर क्या क्या लिखा रहता है. Guys, come on. Name of the product, absolutely. It talks about the variant, right? For example, lace लिखा रहेगा और उसके नीचे लिखा रहेगा green onion and lace. What is it? Green onion. What is the green color package name? French onion. I'm not getting the name of it. What is it? Creamy onion. Absolutely. Thank you so much. It's onion and cream. Creamy onion. It is called cream. It's called calm cream and onion flavor. Right? So those are the way. So it's American style cream and onion flavor. Okay, and sometimes if you want to buy it on Amazon, it is also called calm cream and onion flavor. That in case you can see it, right? So brand name is very, very important. Brand name is very, very important. Nikhil says, I said it. Yes, Nikhil, you absolutely said it. Right? So brand name is very important because it helps us distinguish from the other people in the brand, in the market. In case they are not there, then it becomes very, very difficult. Right? Has everyone understood branding? Has everyone understood branding? Yes? Okay, perfect, perfect. Let us continue it in tomorrow's class without any interruptions.